Hey family, so it is bed changing day for the chicks. Got them out in the playpen. Well, this is what we put them in when we cleaning the beds up. So this is the first set, and we got them in the playpen. So they are 6 weeks, almost 7 weeks. So we let one out, and she's just having a good old time. So we're gonna go ahead and let the other ones out. So fingers crossed.
Is Daddy adding another one out? Are you serious, Daddy? Yay!
Peaches slide out.
Mama, I think you're scaring us. I'm not scaring us. Cheeky little. Close it. Hey. I got it. You got it here. I found it. You got one. There.
Stop.
Daddy, you saw the other one trying to pick me. He's picking my knee.
All right, I'm coming now and get a couple feet. As soon as I'm in the house, get the cup, bring the cup out. There's a cup in the bag, it's a bed.
They just chipping away. Say hey family. You gonna wave?
Dad, I'm gonna get these ones. Get me. They like you, Daddy. Aww. Look, I'm petting them too. They're that cute. You see? Look, I'm petting them too. Aw, I didn't see me there. So cute. Mama, they want me. You like it? Mama, look. They're sad.
That shit on the ground out here.
Stop fighting. Stop fighting.
I tell you, that's dipping out next time. Huh? Stop it.
Don't put it on the ground, baby. I don't even think it's time for them to eat grass yet. When they get older, we can throw some on the ground. Really, Miko?
Really, Mika's? Really? Go, Mika's, go. Put some food.
Preacher said go, Miko, go.
Put some food. Mama, I want to hold the camera.
Move your hand. You can hold the camera next time.
I'm just kidding. I want to hand.
What the other feeder look like?
Mama, look. I saw that one. Look. Get.
Move it out some.
Put it down, please. Put it down.
I'm staying with these patch, Mama. And you stay with those. Stay with these. I don't even finish.
And we decided to bring the younger set out. They're not gonna be on the grass though. They're gonna stay in their little confinement area. They enjoying the little sun too. Everybody's enjoying the sun. Time to get loaded back up. They are so beautiful. They really enjoyed themselves out there in the playpen.
I can go to the closet.
Time to get loaded back up. Look, everybody watching trying to see where daddy going. Y'all, these daddy chickens. These ain't our chickens. Look, they looking for him. He getting all their stuff put back in. I will say. Okay, wait your turn. I will say these were a little bit more enjoyable than the last 4 we got the younger set. All right, Daddy's ready to move them back in. Okay, Daddy's finna put them back in.
Yeah, they just come, but they know where they going.
Yeah, they like to go home and cuddle.
Of course they do, nothing else there. And they never get out.
Everybody's all in. They down there eating. They never get full, y'all. Ever. They can eat all day until it's time for them to go to sleep. That's the only time chickens don't eat is when they sleep.
Yeah, I know.
And the last 4, the younger 4, this would be their first time outside, sleeping outside. Because they've been in the house this whole time. And they have been outside in the storage in this little brooder we made here for about 2 weeks now. And they doing good. So, note, don't baby them. They're meant to be outside. Stand up, Peaches.
What? 2 of them along the track with Mama?
And they starting to jump out. That's why we gonna put them outside starting today, because they starting to jump out of their little bucket.
Naughty.
And the dog pen reach from the big tote all the way down here to their little tote.
Yeah.
And then we got the little transporter.
Yeah.
So gotta go in the house to get their feeder. They got their own feeder and waterer, which is the 2 that they had when we first got them. But we kind of upgraded them to a bigger one, and then Baby made those 2 feeders and waterer for when they get in the coop outside. But that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Make sure you thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and we will see you lovely people in the next video.
And you have me here.
Stay blessed.
Yeah.
Right?